I'd like to introduce our CIVIC Access Pouch 2-liter or Cap 2. This is basically Evergoods organizer accessory. Rather than make a really specific DOP kit or first aid kit, this is just a general duty pouch. We've put a lot of effort into making the organization inside very flexible so that you can do with it what suits you. The pouch is just basically boxy in shape. There's foam all the way around 360 degrees. So it gives the contents some protection and also gives the pouch some nice body. There's 2 rows of webbing, one on the top and one on the bottom. This makes like a handle where you can carry it or just kind of pluck it out of a backpack if you need. We left 2 little spaces on the side so you can clip a little item if that's convenient for you. There's a zipper along the top here. Which gives access to just sort of a pocket that rides up high here. This would be a great place to put more fragile items or things that you'd like to get at quickly. There's also a key leash inside, so you can get to your keys. We paid special attention to this zipper line to make the opening and closing of this really smooth and easy to do with one hand. So when this pouch opens, the top flops over and the bottom makes a flat surface so that this can set on the table and you can kind of work from it from here. In the forward part here, there's a mesh pocket that you can see through to see the items inside. And when you go in here, this is actually the same pocket that had access from the outside. So even though there is an external access, you can, when this thing is open, you can still get at all the pockets inside. I've just got some pens, some stamps. Let's see. In the body of the bag, there are three pockets up front that can pop open or close down flat. So this gives you a nice loading area here. The front and the back are separated by this divider, and this divider can shift. So it can go all the way to the front, all the way to the back. You could kick one side out if you had two things going in this way. This divider has some padding in it, which gives it a little bit of stiffness and works well as a divider. There's a zipper along the top, so the divider also is sort of a little security pocket. This is a great place to keep small items that you don't want to get lost. It's also sized for cash. And there is a small pocket in the face of it that's sized for sort of cards, business cards, credit cards, that kind of thing. Then behind that divider, there's 2 more larger pockets. These are just simple drop-in pockets that again can pop open to accept things or just go flat against the back if they're not in use. So they just kind of go away and get out of the way when you're not using them. I'm just going to load this with a different load. Sometimes I like to keep headphones in here or like cords that get all jangly and tangled up. You can put them in this center divider. It just sort of keeps them contained and keeps them from getting messy. Let's see. On this key leash, we'll put this tool. The interior of the bag is gray. It's lighter colored for easier visibility. And it's center gray, sort of 50, like right in between white and black, so that objects stand out against it in contrast, even if those objects are white or black. You can see them against the gray. The textile used in the lining is a high tenacity nylon 6/6. It's a 210D, so it's a little bit lighter than some of our other linings, but very densely woven. It has a PU coating on the back side and it has a silicone coating on the face, so it makes the inside kind of nice and slick so items can slide in and out easily. The exterior of the bag is our high tenacity nylon 6/6 420D. This is the same fabric we use in our mountain products. This is in the CIVIC line, but we decided to use a filament nylon so that it's a little slicker on the outside, not the textured nylon, just so that it can slide in and out of bags really easily. On the exterior of the bag, we also left 2 little drop-in pockets for those last-minute items that you need to add or just want to get to quickly. And our logo is a square of embossed loop Velcro that accepts our accessory patches so that you can add visibility, maybe see this pouch from across the room or inside of a dark bag, or just mark this pouch as yours. And that is our CIVIC Access Pouch 2 liter.